PPE needed, gloves, hazard sign, equipment needed, green pad, silk cloth, one wet, one dry to clean the mirrors. Toilet cleaner, Stay Plus, and a microfiber cloth. Place the hazard sign before you start any work. Spray Safe Zone Plus around the toilet, wipe using toilet roll. Pay attention to the back of the toilet and the base of the toilet. Flush toilet roll away. Spray and wipe sink using Stay Plus. Any build up of scale, use a small bit of toilet cleaner and a green scratchy pad. Wipe under the hand dryer. Simples.